In this video, I'm going to show you how to change Exness standard account to zero account. Now, you can't actually directly do this, but I'm going to show you a workaround you can use. So I'm going to go to my trading and then accounts, and in here to demo accounts. This can be done with real and demo accounts as well. And from here, as you can see, let me find a standard one. There we go, demo MT5 standard. So if I want to change this from standard to zero, I can click here and there's a bunch of things, but none of these are going to allow me to actually change it to a zero account. And to change it, the only way you can do this is to basically archive the account. So click on here, archive it and wait for it to be deleted, and then of course create a new one. And that's not really changing, it's making a new one, but still that's the only way you could do this. And once you delete the previous one, go to open account, and from here select of course 0 down at the bottom and click on continue. Go ahead and pick the one that you want, demo or real, depending on which one you actually had earlier. Select your correct currency, the starting balance as well over here. Let's do actually 50k, and then nickname is going to be, for example, for me, zero account. Max leverage, platform can also be selected. Put in the password you want to use for your trading account, and then hit the create account button. When you've done this, there we go, your account has been successfully created. Wait for a few seconds for the funds to actually load on if it's a demo account, and that's essentially all you have to do to change your Exness standard account to zero account. You have to delete the one and create a new one, or simply add a new one, okay? That's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.